Hello everyone, my name is Madi. I am second year computer science student. Today I'll be showing you how to download, install and set up OBS software. We use OBS software to record our examinations as a mandatory surveillance tool. So let's get started. First, just write OBS download in Google. Go to obsproject.com website. Here, you'll need to download the corresponding OBS Studio. Now, this guide is made specifically for Windows. However, Mac and Linux counterparts should be fairly similar, so don't hesitate to follow. Just press download installer and wait until it downloads. Here I have the installer open. We all know how to install programs, so just press next, choose your destination folder and then press install. Just wait until it finishes the installation. Now, OBS Studio is widely used. Mostly it's used for capturing gameplay for YouTube or Twitch, and it usually requires quite a heavy CPU usage. However, we only need to record our examinations, so we'll have a totally different setup here. So let's just launch our OBS Studio. When you launch it at first, you'll get this auto configuration wizard. Just press no because we will set it up ourselves. Now, this home menu seems a little bit excessive. However, we'll only need a couple of things here. First, let's just head down to settings. Go to file, then settings. Go to output tab. Make sure that your recording format is set to either MKV or MP4. I prefer setting to MP4 as it takes less space here. Then head over to Video tab. Here we have base resolution and output resolution. We need to set our output resolution to low value. I recommend going as low as 640 by 360. So resolution is basically the count of pixels on your screen. The more pixels, the sharper is quality. However, it also takes up much more space if it has many pixels. We don't really need a lot of pixels. Professors don't really need to read what you are doing. All they need to know is that you are on the right page and you're not on Google or something. Then set the downscale filter to bilinear. You don't really need to change the setting later, as it only is used because it's the fastest and it puts the least strain on your CPU. On the FPS value, set it to 10. FPS stands for frames per second, so basically determines how smooth the image will be. For example, cinema is usually shot at 24 frames per second. Games are played on 60 or higher frames per second because they have a lot of motion and they need fast reaction. However, we are only filming a static image of your page and your face, so you don't really need any high values here. So press OK. Now we're back at our main screen. This black rectangle represents what our OBS is going to record once we start recording. As you can see, it's right now recording nothing. So let's set up our screen. Go to Sources tab and press plus down here. First, let's add our display capture. Press display capture, press OK. Here you choose your display and then OK. You should be seeing the parallax of your desktop here now. By the way, some of you might get the black screen issue where even after setting your display capture, you still get the black screen. If you have that problem, just follow along and at the end I will show you how to fix it. So after display capture, we need to add our webcam. Press plus, press video capture device, OK. Here you should be seeing your image of yourself. If you don't see it, you can choose the device here and make sure that you choose the correct one. We don't really need to change anything here, just press OK. Now we have the giant screen of our face here. you can press on the image of yourself, then hold this little rectangle and resize the window. We only need this small window right now. So next up is our microphone input. Press plus again, audio input capture. Okay, here you might need to choose the correct device. Mine works as default. You can use default, however, if it doesn't work, you can change it here to the actual microphone. Press OK. Now we are done setting up our program. All we need to do is start recording. You can start recording by pressing start recording here. You can also just minimize the window and it will still continue to record everything here. So after you finish recording, just press stop recording. Now, if you want to save the files in some folder that you want, press settings, then go to output, and then find the recording path here. You can press browse and change where you want to save your files. It's usually saved in videos folder in library. So this is it. Now I'll go quickly over the black screen issue. Okay, so we're back in our OBS, and as you can see, I have black screen. This is what some of you might be having, this issue. So what we need to do is just close the OBS and find the shortcut, press right click, run with graphics processor, then integrated graphics. When you launch it like this, you should be seeing your desktop now. So overall, this is basically it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at my address. I will be showing it on your screen right now. And subscribe, press the like button, hit the notification bell, and see you soon.